push yourself when nobody else will. Let me tell you something that might shock you. Success is not about talent. It's not about luck. It's not about having the right connections or being born into the right family. Success is about developing the discipline to do what needs to be done when it needs to be done, whether you feel like it or not. That's what separating yourself from the crowd is all about. That's what pushing yourself really means. I've spent decades studying successful people, and I can tell you this with absolute certainty. Every single person who has achieved something significant in their life had to push themselves beyond their comfort zone. They had to do things that scared them. They had to take action when they didn't feel ready. They had to persist when everything inside them wanted to quit. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not that successful people don't feel fear, doubt, or resistance. The difference is that they push through it anyway. They understand that growth and comfort cannot coexist. They know that if you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. Think about this for a moment. Every single day you have a choice. You can choose to push yourself or you can choose to coast. You can choose to challenge yourself or you can choose to stay comfortable. You can choose to grow or you can choose to remain the same. The beautiful thing about life is that these choices are always yours to make. Nobody can make them for you and nobody can take them away from you. But here's what I want you to understand. Your life will be a direct reflection of the choices you make consistently, day after day, year after year. If you consistently choose the easy path, your life will be difficult. If you consistently choose the difficult path, your life will be easy. That's one of the great paradoxes of life. And it's something that most people never figure out. When I say push yourself, I'm not talking about driving yourself into the ground. I'm not talking about working yourself to exhaustion or ignoring your health and relationships. I'm talking about something much more profound. I'm talking about developing the mental discipline to do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it. You see, we all have two voices inside our heads. One voice says, you can do it. You have what it takes. Go for it. The other voice says, it's too hard. You're not ready. What if you fail? The voice you listen to will determine the quality of your life. The voice you feed will grow stronger. The voice you starve will grow weaker. Successful people have learned to feed the right voice. They've learned to push past the voice of doubt and fear. They've developed what I call the discipline of doing. They do what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, whether they feel like it or not. And here's the amazing thing. The more you practice this discipline, the easier it becomes. Let me share with you the fundamental truth about human potential. You have more ability than you're currently using. You have more strength than you're currently demonstrating. You have more intelligence than you're currently applying. You have more courage than you're currently expressing. The question is not whether you have what it takes. The question is whether you're willing to push yourself to discover what you have. Most people live far below their potential because they've accepted limitations that don't really exist. They bought into the lie that they're just average, that they don't have what it takes, that success is for other people. But that's not true. The only difference between you and the most successful person you know is that they decided to push themselves consistently, while most people push themselves occasionally. Consistency is the mother of mastery. It's not what you do once in a while that shapes your life. It's what you do consistently. If you want to transform your life, you must transform your daily habits. You must push yourself to do the things that successful people do day after day, until those things become automatic. Think about the areas of your life where you know you could be doing better. Maybe it's your health. Maybe it's your career. Maybe it's your relationships. Maybe it's your personal development. Whatever it is, you know what you need to do. The question is not what to do. The question is whether you're willing to push yourself to do it. Here's something that might surprise you. The biggest enemy of your success is not external circumstances. It's not the economy. It's not your background. It's not other people. The biggest enemy of your success is your own comfort zone. Your comfort zone is where dreams go to die. It's where potential gets buried. It's where mediocrity feels comfortable. But here's the good news. You can choose to leave your comfort zone anytime you want. You can choose to push yourself into the realm of possibility. You can choose to step into the arena where champions are made. The only question is whether you will. I want you to understand something about comfort zones. They're not really comfortable. They're familiar, but they're not comfortable. When you're living below your potential, when you're not pushing yourself to grow and improve, there's a deep dissatisfaction that eats away at you. There's a voice inside that keeps whispering, you could be doing more. You could be more. That voice is not your enemy. That voice is your friend. That voice is trying to wake you up. That voice is trying to remind you of who you really are and what you're really capable of. The tragedy is that most people try to silence that voice instead of listening to it. They try to make it go away instead of following where it leads. But what if you decided to listen to that voice? What if you decided to push yourself in the direction of your dreams? What if you decided to make something happen instead of waiting for something to happen? Your life would change dramatically, and it would change quickly. Let me tell you about the compound effect of pushing yourself. When you push yourself today, you don't just change today. You change tomorrow, and the next day, and the day after that. Every time you push yourself beyond what's comfortable, you expand what's possible. Every time you do something that challenges you, you become someone who is capable of more challenging things. This is how ordinary people become extraordinary.
क्या आपको लगता है कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी और न्यूमरोलॉजी काफी है किसी की लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए?
Not through one giant leap, but through thousands of small pushes. Not through one moment of inspiration, but through months and years of perspiration. Not through luck or talent alone, but through the decision to consistently push themselves beyond what they thought was possible. I want you to think about this. What would your life look like 1 year from now if you started pushing yourself today? What would be different? How would you feel? What would you have accomplished? What kind of person would you have become? Now think about this. What will your life look like 1 year from now if you don't push yourself? If you continue doing what you've always done, you'll continue getting what you've always gotten. If you don't change, nothing changes. If you don't push yourself, nobody else will. The time for waiting is over. The time for wishing is over. The time for hoping someone else will come along and change your life is over. The time for pushing yourself is now. The time for making it happen is now. The time for taking control of your destiny is now. But pushing yourself is not just about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about being strategic. It's about focusing your energy on the things that matter most. It's about developing the wisdom to know the difference between activity and achievement, between motion and progress, between being busy and being productive. You see, some people think that pushing yourself means doing more of everything. But that's not true. Pushing yourself means doing more of the right things and less of the wrong things. It means saying no to good opportunities so you can say yes to great opportunities. It means being disciplined about your time, your energy, and your attention. Here's a question that will change your life if you answer it honestly. What are you currently doing that you know you should stop doing? What are you currently not doing that you know you should start doing? The answers to these questions will show you exactly where you need to push yourself. Most people know what they should be doing. They know they should be eating better, exercising more, reading more, learning new skills, building better relationships, saving more money, and pursuing their dreams with more intensity. The problem is not knowledge. The problem is implementation. The problem is the gap between knowing and doing.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this presentation of Right BNB on this Friday evening here from South Africa. My name is Johan Botha. I have joined Right BNB last year, September, and I'm currently on a Titan rank. So Right BNB started originally as Right BNB on the 7th of August 2024. And then there was a glitch in the smart contract which nobody could fix. So they had to rewrite a totally different new smart contract, and they called it Rain BNB. And this one started on the 16th of January 2025. So it's fairly new, it's about 6 months old. So let's have a look at what is Rain BNB, which is the next generation of Right BNB. But first of all, before we start, I must first warn you that the information contained in this presentation has the potential to change your life dramatically if you focus and if you put your attention to it. All right, let's start off by discussing life matters. We all living in this world called Earth. We need money to survive each and every day. All right, I don't know anybody on this earth that is in need of money. Even the people, the wealthy and successful people, they still need money, or they want to regenerate or generate more money for others as well. So everyone on this earth needs money. You need the basic stuff like food and shelter for surviving. Then you need money for education, you need money for transport. There's money you can think of for yourself what money you need for. And if you do have enough of that. So let's look at what research has told us is that 97% of people worldwide, they live below average and they are not successful. But the question that you need to ask is who wants to fail in life? And if you ask those same 97%, they will tell you that they don't want to fail. But as we heard now in this session before we started, that most people are living just a mediocre and average life. They don't want to commit themselves. They're living in the comfort zone. Right, so if you ask the same question to anybody who wants to be rich and successful, the answer will also be almost everyone will say yes. But now, when you think about success and wealth, the first thing that people think about is finances. To be successful, you need to have much money, or you must be wealthy, you must be rich. People automatically link success with finances and being rich. Right? If you ask these questions to anybody, the questions will always be the same. Right? And as I said, we all need money to survive, for basic stuff to survive each and every day. And that's not even talking about bringing up your children and sending them to university, or getting more cars, or whatever your dreams are, or dream holidays or vacations or whatever. This is just for your basic survivals. So to generate money legally, you either need to work for someone or you must start your own business and work for yourself. So as I said already, the research shows that 97% of people worldwide just remains on average and mediocre. They stay in the comfort zone. All right, while only 3% on earth will achieve wealth and success in their lifetime. So what are the reasons why people do not succeed? Or they don't get out of their comfort zone? It's they have either a lack of burning desire, they either suffer from a poor mindset, they are full of excuses, they listen to all the naysayer and the people that's bringing them down and wants to criticize other people. They give up too easily. They are just pessimistic. They don't have a positive view of life. And that is basically what you heard now just before in the segment before this. It's about your mindset. These people are looking for excuses left, right, and center, not to better their own lives themselves. They also fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, and they will overanalyze this thing, and they will believe every single thing that they can get their minds on. And first thing they do is they run to YouTube and Google, and what they see there, they will not look at the positive stuff. They will see one negative thing, and then they will believe that and run with it. So they are their own the reasons for their own failure, basically. All right, there's also a lack of trust and transparency in platforms, and we've all been through that experience in our lives before, in our experiences in this industry. You start off in a platform and you have all trust and you're fired up, and what they show you, you're happy with, and then 1 week or later, or a month later, or 3 months later, you get the surprises which you did not expect and you did not want to. And that's then you cannot get your money back which you did put in there. All right, there's also absence of a genuine and a legit system to change your life, to become successful. So let's please forget about everything that you have learned before in this industry, all your previous experiences. We've all been through that. And I think if you still want to use that as an excuse not to join any platform or opportunity, then I don't know what to say to you then. Because if you're going to stay in the past, you're going to stay in the past. You need to go on to the future. You cannot change what happened in the past. You only have today, and you must work on it today to secure yourself tomorrow. All right, so let's look at this presentation. It's basically separated in two parts. The first part is about the platform itself, about RainBnB. The second part is about the compensation plan and how are you going to get paid and how to register. Right, so we have the solution for all of these issues in life. RainBnB is the solution. If you have any life goals or you seek additional income, extra income, permanent income, or full-time income, and if you aspire to be great or have any dreams that you want to achieve, RainBnB has the potential to make those dreams come true for you. So this is the solution for each and everyone on this earth, and you will see why I say that later on. This platform caters for each and every person, not only the rich people. It caters for everyone in society today. Whether you rich or you just a middle class person, or even if you're not in that good space or you're in a poor state, you will benefit here, and you will see in a couple of slides why do I say that. All right, we present you with this once in a lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime, where you will earn exceptional income, and you can work in this platform full-time or part-time for the rest of your life. So RainBnB is a cutting-edge 21st century business model, and this platform creates a win-win situation for each and everyone that is involved here. Not only the people that joined in the first day or when the platform launched, for everyone. The people that will join after us, the people that will join today, each one has an equal opportunity to win here and to become a very successful. So if you look at the top right, here you can build a business that will pay you for the rest of your life. And in your life, you will be working for somebody. So here you can make that somebody yourself. You can work for yourself here. You can become your own boss. All right, but the secret is to get started, is to take action. And let's carry on with what is RainBnB then? Okay, RainBnB is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain network, where members accumulate BNB. If you do not have any knowledge or experience about crypto or finances, don't worry about that. You do not need any experience to work in this platform or any knowledge. Your members or the person who invited you will assist you with all of those questions that you have. All right, RainBnB has been established by a team of experts from Eastern Europe and Russia, and they share a united passion for blockchain and AI, artificial intelligence, and they have deep expertise in these fields. All right, you do not need to have any knowledge about these subjects to work on RainBnB yourself. And you will see that they've made it very, very easy, and everybody can basically work on this platform without any prior knowledge or experience. All right, RainBnB is not a return on investment platform. You do not invest money here and sit back and wait for your money to come or to mature. The RainBnB does not work like that. All right, but you can earn, but you can be paid on a daily basis. All right, that is possible. Okay, RainBnB is not a donation platform also, but you will receive big payments if you meet the basic requirements of this smart contract. You will see that it might look very difficult, first, especially if it's the first time you see this presentation. You will probably not understand everything, but do not worry about that. It will come clearer to you as you go along and as you attend more trainings and presentations. Right, so let us look at the mission and the vision of RainBnB. What is their mission? What do they want to accomplish? They want to empower and they want to unite individuals through a decentralized community building platform called RainBnB by using smart contracts, all right, to facilitate transparent interactions and mutual benefits for everybody involved, and that's worldwide. So they are what it is saying is they are using a smart contract on the blockchain to to help you and me to generate income and to make our lives better, to get income, to uplift everybody worldwide through that smart contract. Take note, some words will be repeated in this presentation, and there's a good reason for that. When you want to join a platform, you must first ask yourself, who controls the money? That is the main thing and the biggest question always. So who controls the money in RainBnB? The answer is nobody, no person, no human being. And that is the answer that you want. Here you trust a smart contract which cannot fail, which does not have emotions. A human being has emotions. A human being will not deliver on his word in his lifetime, especially in this industry. And why do I say that? It's because of our previous experiences. So yes, we have all been through that, and we know what to look out for. And never in my life before have I seen a platform like RainBnB and with all the features that RainBnB does bring to the community. All right, their vision is to be the leading platform that revolutionizes the community engagement and driving collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. There again, the word decentralized. So the word decentralized, it means there's nobody in control, no single authority or person or company or management group. This is decentralized. There's no single person that has a control over the system. All right, if you look at the definition of smart contracts, it's self-executing trustless agreements. Now, you might be wondering about the word trustless. Yes. The definition of the word trustless, it means that you do not have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. So there again, it's the question that you're asking, who controls the money? Here we can see that the smart contract controls and manages all transactions, registrations, upgrades, payments, withdrawals, everything to do with the finances in RainBnB is managed by the smart contract. The smart contract cannot be changed by anybody. The developers cannot change the smart contract. If they want to change it, they have to rewrite a totally different new smart contract, as what they had done with the RainBnB smart contract when they could not fix the glitch last year. That is the reason why we actually have the smart contract of RainBnB, which has more benefits and more bonuses and more features as RainBnB. But RainBnB smart contract is still carrying on as we speak at this moment. So the thing is, if they do have to make changes, they will have to make a new one, and then this existing RainBnB smart contract will still continue to carry on until the end of time. Yes, you heard correctly. I said until the end of time, because these platforms will operate and exist until the end of the internet's existence. You will only need an internet connection to work on the RainBnB smart contract and the RainBnB smart contract. Right. So why is RainBnB 100% scam free and 100% risk free? Again, it's a decentralized platform and totally unique. And this is a proper business on its own as well. All right, it's 100% risk free. You might have heard that. It's 100% scam free. You did not hear incorrect. You did hear correctly. It's 100% risk free. Zero risk, no risk. There's no scam. Nobody can scam you in RainBnB. So why do we say that? Tell me why. What is the reason? The reason is because there is no money that can be stolen, or no money that can be kept, or that is kept on the smart contract that can be withdrawn by anyone or moved by anybody else. So nobody can scam you here. Nobody can defraud you. They cannot take your money. They cannot steal your money. There is absolutely no risk involved in RainBnB. All right. There's also no money that is kept on the smart contract by anyone that can be stolen, and that makes this platform scam free. All right, and you will see that when you log into this address, this is the smart contract address here in red. You will also find it in your back office right at the bottom when you scroll down within your DApp browser. And you will find this address there. And if you click on it, you will get this screen here, which will show you that the BNB balance is 0 and it will always stay 0 because no one can change the codes that is written on the smart contract. So those codes are basically like commands that the smart contract uses to execute its work. So if it meets certain requirements and those commands are triggered, then the smart contract knows it must do this and that. So that is why nobody will ever, or you will never ever see a balance other than 0 on the smart contract here. It will always be 0. The day that you see a balance there, or in any smart contract actually, if you see there's a balance, that means that somebody can withdraw it or they can manipulate the funds. So this means that, so let's answer the question, why is it 0 then? How does this platform make money then, or help the members to make money? The answer is that everything that comes in, all the registrations, all the upgrades, it goes to the smart contract, it gets paid out in milliseconds, immediately to all the qualifying members. That is why this balance is always on 0. And you will also scroll down on this page on the smart contract, and then you will see under transactions, all the transactions and all the history since the start of the smart contract. You can go back and search for each and every transaction, and you will find it there. But the balance on the smart contract will always stay 0. And ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very important for you to know and to understand. If you still want more questions or detailed explanation about this, please reach out to your upline to explain this in more detail. But remember, I said the first question that you need to ask is, when you want to join a platform, is who is controlling the money? In this case of Rain BNB, it's the smart contract, which cannot be changed, which does not have any emotions. This robot basically, or this machine, controls all the funds, all the finance in Rain BNB. Right, so let's look at reasons to join Rain BNB. Why must you consider joining Rain BNB if you are not a member yet? And what do you need to tell other people about Rain BNB? Why should they join Rain BNB? First of all, once again, this platform is fully decentralized, not just decentralized. It's fully decentralized. Why do I say fully decentralized? It's because even the smart contract it's decentralized, but the application that we use to work in Rain BNB is also a decentralized application. You will not find this app in any App Store or Google Play Store or Apple iPhone Store or any other Play Store on the market, because it is only available from the official Rain BNB Telegram groups or from your back office in your decentralized app, where you can download this application. So there's nobody that can steal your data there or anything like that. So that makes it 100%. This is the first in history, the first platform that is 100% fully decentralized. It's got its own decentralized application, unlike any other platform, and it runs on the smart contract, which is obviously decentralized on the blockchain. Right. Another reason for you to join is, although this is a big community building program, you do not need to build a big community to start earning and to change your life or to make a big success. You only need to refer a minimum of 2 people. Yes, you read correctly, a minimum of 2 people. All right, and then you will qualify, and the smart contract will know that you are qualified to get paid. Because if you only have 0 or 1 referral, the smart contract will not pay you. So this is the minimum for you to qualify to get payments and to receive other bonuses as well. Right. You are also not limited to any working hours. because RainBnB is a global business and it works 24/7. The blockchain doesn't sleep, it doesn't close. It is always open 24/7. You can work on RainBnB just when you want to. You've got so much freedom to work in RainBnB. It gives you everything that you actually need. This platform or the developers actually catered for everyone. Everything is available in RainBnB. If you compare this to any other platform or project. Right, so as I said already, nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. That gives you the peace of mind to know that your money is safe and you cannot be scammed. There is also zero risk, no risk involved, uh, uh, because there is no money that is kept on the smart contract and nobody can change that. Right. So it is not dependent on any website also because it's operating on the blockchain itself directly through the smart contract. Right, most platforms or projects that we know of or have become used to, they use a website, they are website based. And the problem with that is normally those things or those platforms you need to register and you need to give personal details as well. But not only that, they are in control. They can make changes to the website. They can switch it on and off. They can manipulate basically the platform from the website itself or with a website. Nothing wrong with the website, but we have learned now that it's not trustworthy always. The main thing about RainBnB is even if the website or the URLs that we work through your decentralized application in your Web3 wallet, if those websites are going down or not, if they are not available, you can still work directly through the smart contract on the blockchain. So there's nothing from the website side of stuff that can stop you from working on the blockchain. And we know from previous experience in platforms that you want to make withdrawals, you want to do something and then the website is not available or there's some issue or there's too much traffic at that time and it's not available and then one day you just wake up and then the site is gone. Then they switched it off or they closed down that whole platform and your withdrawal is still hanging in the air. And it will hang there until the end of time. But anyways, that is not possible in RainBnB because it is not dependent on any website. It is totally a blockchain-based platform. The other reason for you to join RainBnB is that you are your own boss. You can become your own boss, as I said earlier on as well. You can decide what hours you want to work, when you want to work, where you want to work, how long you want to work. That is up to yourself. You can set your own limits for yourself. There's nobody telling you what to do, when to do it. As you learn, you'll see when you must upgrade. You decide how much BNB you want to earn in this platform, and you are your own boss then. Right? It's a business that is a business for a lifetime, and it's only dependent on the internet's existence. So, as I said already, that you need an internet connection to work on the smart contract of RainBnB, and that is basically the only reason that can not make you to work on RainBnB. If you have a smartphone and you have all the tools available to you and you do not have an internet connection, then you won't be able to work on a smart contract. If the internet goes down, normally it's just for repairs or it's not for a long time, but in the event that the internet collapses, which is very highly unlikely, then nobody will be able to work on here. And then we know that the world will basically be in turmoil and come to a standstill because we are on the internet each and every minute of the day, all over the world. Right, there's also no monthly fees as in other platforms. Here there are no targets to meet or any deadlines that you have to meet. You don't have to resubscribe every now and then. When you join, you register and it's a once-off payment and you don't pay again ever in your life. Except for when you want to upgrade, obviously. Right, the registration fee is once off. There's no recurring subscription fees or anything like that. Yeah. There's also no physical products to sell or to ship around. The product is BNB. That makes this platform liability free. You don't have to sit with the issues of logistical issues with products not arriving at clients, and you must order it and orders not getting delivered and all of those things. Yeah, it's digital products, excuse me. So you do not have to worry about that. That makes this liability free. You also do not have any targets to meet, as I said already. You decide and you set your own targets and your deadlines for yourself. You know what is your requirements, how much income you need. So you decide how much BNB you want to earn and by when. So yes, that gives you that freedom as well. Right? If you work for somebody, that you don't have all this freedom. This platform is 100% transparent, as everything is recorded on the blockchain. And if you go on to that smart contract address, you can see everything there. You can even go back from the day it started and you can search for each and every transaction. It will be there for the case that you want to do that. It will also be recorded in your Web3 wallet. All right, this platform is 100% risk-free. Again, this is very important to know. You will never lose your money. Many people, they say, but yeah, I'm a member now. I lost my money. And yes, but did you understand how the platform works? You need to understand how the platform works, and you need to meet the requirements of this smart contract. Then you will not have any issues and you will make a lot of BNB in this platform. RainBNB is illegal in most countries. Obviously, wherever crypto is legal, you will be able to work in RainBNB. All right, and we know that cryptocurrency is rising or is getting more popular all over the world as well. It's not like 2-3 years ago, or even when it came out, people were very skeptical about that. Life is changing. Things are moving fast forward. You can buy a phone today or a laptop or whatever, and in a month or not a month or 2 months, it's outdated already. So if people are not going to keep up with what the changes are in the world, you're going to stay behind at some time. The same with currencies, with finances. It is evolving. Right back in the beginning of time, we had bartering systems. Then we had coins and gold and silver and metal coins and minerals and so on. Then it evolved into paper money, and which eventually went into plastic debit cards and card money. So those are still with us today, some of those things. And you'll get different forms of currency. But in 2010, and then Bitcoin came on the market and saw the light of the world. So that's when cryptocurrencies were born. That's just a different form of currency. We have heard different theories and stories about currencies, or crypto actually. People still, they believe in the fairy stories and stuff. But the thing is that if you're not going to stay up to date with what's happening in life, you will stay behind, and somehow it's going to catch up with you. Get yourself updated, read more. It's all over the internet, it's all over Facebook. Everybody is talking about it. So how can nobody, or how can it still be a scam or anything like that, or it doesn't exist? You'll still get people that believe that it's not money. But we have plenty of proof that it makes people millionaires. How many people have become millionaires just because of crypto? So yes, this is legal in most countries. So obviously you will not be able to work on RainBNB in countries where it's not legal. Right, payments are also done instantly and sent to your connected wallet. There is no need for you to request any withdrawals as in other platforms. And we've learned now a lot of this topic when we joined the RightBNB and RainBNB, and we compare it to other platforms. As soon as there is a withdrawal button, or you need to make or send a withdrawal request, that tells you the answer to your first question that you must ask. Then you know that somebody else controls the money. In RainBNB, that is not even a question because you do not even have to ask for a withdrawal. You don't even, you do nothing to receive your withdrawal. When you meet the requirements of the smart contract, your money is sent instantly to your connected wallet. So when the smart contract picks up that you qualify to get paid, it pays you in a millisecond. There's no need for any withdrawal or any request or anything. And you don't wait a day, a week, 24 hours, 48 hours, or whatever. You get paid like in now, instantly. All right. You and you alone are in control of your money. There's no other third party in control. You and the smart contract is managing your portfolio, your position. This platform is 100% scam free, as I said already. All right. The platform utilizes BNB, Binance Coin, to pay out to members and to remunerate the members. They don't use a new or their own crypto token or new coin or whatever that they launched that doesn't have any value, like many other platforms that they wish that it will create any value in a month or a year or whatever, and they tell you all those stories, and it will be this much and that much, and those things never materialize or hardly ever materialize. And then they pump and dump those coins. They just create a hype. But RainBNB is different. They are using an existing cryptocurrency coin, which is number 5 on CoinMarketCap. The fifth strongest cryptocurrency, actually the fourth strongest cryptocurrency in the world currently. And today it is trading at $644 per one BNB coin. So we'll get to this coin in more details a bit later. RainBNB, another reason for you to join RainBNB is because this platform has the best, you can read again there, it's got the best compensation plan in history. There is no other platform where you can generate so much income as from RainBNB. And then the last reason, and that must also actually be your main reason for you to join RainBNB, is because you and I, we want to make extra income, we want to make money. And we want to make it risk-free, scam-free, and with peace of mind. RainBNB ticks all of those questions. All right, you will see why this is the best compensation plan, and I'm not exaggerating. More about the Binance coin itself. So BNB, or Binance, was launched in July of 2017. Binance is currently the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, and they have got the biggest trading volume, daily trading volume of all the exchanges. All right, so they launched the Binance coin in the beginning, and when they did launch it, it was only 10 cents. In 2017, in July of 2017, it was 10 cents per BNB coin. Now, just have a look at this 5-year growth of BNB is over 3,600%. And the all-time growth is over 8,400%. It must be higher than that because this is an old price. Today the price is $644 per one BNB coin. All right, so that is another reason for you to look at this. There's no need to build a new coin or give value to any new token in RainBNB because they are using this existing cryptocurrency coin, which is number 5 on the CoinMarketCap. All right, this has already been done for you. So there's no need to build up a new coin or give value to a new token or whatever. Right, and let's have a look at the future predictions of BNB. As I said, it's number 5 on CoinMarketCap currently. The future price of BNB could rise to between $4,000 and $10,000 within the next 2 to 5 years, depending on the market trends. And analysts predict that in this year already, 2025, it can reach a high of $1,000 and an average of $790 in this year already. So when we started last year in September, it was under $500, I believe. And it already went up in value. So it's steadily growing, and we can see that there's significant potential for this market growth and stability in RMB. It is, since we joined the average, or actually you can see here the price. You can go and Google this yourself. You can go to CoinMarketCap and look up all these things for yourself as well. Right, there you will see that the up and down growth, and daily it goes up and down. So yesterday it was, or 2 days before it was 650, and then it came down a bit. Now it's back to 644. So it's hovering around there between $500 and $700 per BNB coin. Right, let's carry on. More about BNB. Why is Rain BNB using BNB, and why are they using the OP BNB network? Now, from previous experience in other smart contracts, we've seen that the gas fees or the transaction fees always becomes an issue because it gets too much. And then people are complaining and they cannot carry on because then the transaction fees becomes even more than the product or whatever they want to achieve. So in 2023, OP BNB network was launched or created. And that is a layer 2 solution within the Binance ecosystem built on the OP stack. So you don't mind if you don't know about never heard about this terms. You don't need to know about these things to work in BNB. But this platform was actually designed for the gaming industry, and the gas fees or the transaction fees remain stable, and it's low cost. It's also very, very fast. And that's why you are getting paid instantly. The gas fees or transaction fees will remain the same always. It will stay stable. It will never go up and down. So you can work with peace of mind, yeah, that you don't have to have that issue in the future whenever. And the transactions is lightning fast. Right. Here you can see a screenshot of CoinMarketCap. And you can see a Bitcoin is number 1, Ethereum 2, and then US Tether is the third one. This is a stable coin. So that is why we actually consider that BNB must actually be a number 4, or place number 4. And because currently XRP, Ripple is there, and then BNB. But USDT is a stable coin, so you can't really put them in the same bracket there. Right, this is about OPBNB, and this is the main reason why they are using the OPBNB network, because you get different networks on the Binance, in the Binance ecosystem. The main reasons for using OPBNB is because low gas fees, low transaction fees, and it's extremely fast. Right, what is the reasons for joining RainBNB? Let's recap quickly again here. The main reasons for you to consider to join RainBNB is there is no ownership control. It's decentralized. Nobody is in control of your money. The smart contract manages everything for you. There is no central office or central support available to help and assist you. The members are your support and assistance. Right, it's fully decentralized. As I've said, it's got its own application. Then the smart contract is also decentralized. So there's no central place where the money goes to or controlled from. It's blockchain driven as well. It's not dependent on any website. There's absolute trust and transparency. The transparency is on the blockchain. The trust is actually removed here because the smart contract takes care of that segment for you and me. And we don't have to worry. You can have peace of mind here that tomorrow when you wake up, your money will still be there. If you have $1,000 in your wallet, it will still be there tomorrow, and you will not have to worry about that somebody tampering or trying to steal it, because it's not possible. Right? It's an unchangeable system. Nobody can change this, not even the developers. The payouts are instant. There's no withdrawal requests. or anything like that. Your payouts is delivered to your wallet instantly. The gas fees or the transaction fees are low and it's stable always. This platform has got a global reach. You can work on it 24/7, whenever you want, wherever you want. It is autonomous in operation. No personal data of yourself is collected anywhere in your experience or your connection with RainBnB. There's no email address that you need to give. There's no cell phone number that you need to give. No name or surname or initials even. The only thing is that you connect with the smart contract through your Web3 wallet, and that is your ID basically. So there's no personal details or data that you share with anyone when you register on RainBnB. Right, this platform is risk, liability, and scam free. This platform is also a reputation building concept. Now, I want to spend some time here. This is the biggest, I've realized that this is the biggest thing why people don't want to take part in these programs, because of the reputation. And as I said in the beginning, we as human beings, we live on this earth, and we do not only need oxygen to survive, we need finances, vitamin M as well, for your daily expenses and survival, to pay your rent and all of those things, food, shelter, all of those things. Your reputation. Why would you damage your reputation if you want to help people? We know that now this platform is scam free, it's risk free. How would you damage your reputation if you are reaching out to people and you want to assist and help them? Because there is nothing that will block them from getting paid. Nothing, as we've seen. You will get paid if you meet the requirements of the smart contract. You will make money if you meet the requirements of the smart contract. The reputation, people, is what do the guy next door think about me? But what are you going to say when you are getting successful and then you forgot to, or you didn't want to tell him because you were too afraid of what is going to happen to your reputation, what others are going to think about you? And you see that same person 5, 10 years from now, poor or begging in the street, or something happened to him, and you had the chance to share this opportunity with him, to change his life. We must not limit ourselves. Start believing in yourself. Start believing in the platform, and forget about your reputation, because we have been through this practice many times, and now we've learned what to look out for, and we know where the landmines are. We know how to navigate this area now. So we know where to tread now. Everything is in place here. There's no risk. There's no chance of any scam or anyone losing their money. As we said, you only need an internet connection to work and to make money in RainBnB. That will build your reputation. It will not break it down, because there is nothing that can prevent you from getting paid in RainBnB. If you meet the requirements, the basic, simple requirements, you will get paid. The smart contract will pay you. End of line, end of story. And as we said, this smart contract, again, let's look at the word trustless. That means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, or any person or any intermediary that operates between you and your cryptocurrency, or you and your money. And what happened to other platforms? Who controlled the money? Here, the platform of the smart contract manages all of those transactions. So you don't need to trust a person, a human being, because this smart contract doesn't have any emotions. It only operates when the commands are made, or the codes that is being written for is being made. Then this smart contract executes it immediately. There's nothing that can prevent it from not working. Right. Simply put, RainBnB is light years ahead of any other platform. Now you've seen what I've told you now, and ask yourself these questions. Who controls the money? Can the money be stolen? Can my money be taken or sent to someone else? And can somebody close down this platform? The answer to all of those questions is no. And the first question is the smart contract controls the money. No person controls it. Right, let's look again here. I want to reiterate these things because this is very important to understand. No money is kept on this smart contract. All right. That makes this the best online platform currently worldwide. There might be similarities to other platforms, but not everything that is in here is in all the other platforms. RainBnB money or BNB coin is not controlled by any human being that you send to the smart contract. That's the biggest reason why you need to join RainBnB, because that's the first question you need to answer for yourself. Who controls the money? Right. The smart contract manages all transactions immediately, not tomorrow, not next week, instantly. Payments and withdrawal. So there's no need to trust any human being with your money. Right? The smart contract cannot be changed. This means that you are basically guaranteed to get payments when you meet the requirements of the smart contract. There is nothing that can prevent you from getting paid if you meet those requirements. You need the internet connection, and that's it. There is no money or BNB on the smart contract again. 100%. That's the zero balance that I showed you earlier. 100% that comes in gets paid out immediately to the qualifying members. Nobody can move your money or send it to any other wallet or to somebody else or to themselves. It's tamper-proof. Nobody can make any changes here. You cannot go into the smart contract and send the money to somebody else. Right? To join this platform is a low cost once-off startup fee of about $3 only, or 60 Rand in South Africa. So you can compare that to your own country's currency. And just before this meeting, I actually asked ChatGPT what to look for before joining any crypto platform to make extra income. And this was one of the questions or the checks that came up, the startup cost. The other point was smart contract. Is it controlled on the blockchain or smart contract? And is the smart contract immutable? In other words, unchangeable? And this was one of the points to consider, the startup cost. We know other platforms, they've got big startup costs, $10, $50, $100, $500, $1,000. But then you must know your money is not controlled by yourself. That was another checkpoint that you do yourself a favor and go and play on ChatGPT and ask those questions, and you can read up for yourself. Right. Another reason why this is the best platform worldwide is because it's got the best compensation plan, and there's genuinely unimaginable income that you can earn in RainBnB, because you can earn up to 1.48 million BNB. Yes, 1.48 million BNB, not US dollars. If you have a calculator there with you, type in 1.48 million times 640 or 650, because that is what one BNB coin is right at this moment. And if you can pronounce that, please, you will get the answer on how much you can accumulate on one position in RainBnB here. Right, and there's a low startup cost, as I said already, of once of $3. No recurring payments ever in RainBnB. Right, RainBnB is really easy. Many people, they are making it too difficult for themselves. They are overcomplicating it. But let's break it down in simple steps. Again, I'm going to confirm these things or repeat those things RainBnB is 100% managed by the smart contract. The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. No money is kept on the smart contract which can be sent to anyone else. Your funds is 100% safe, and all of the funds that comes into the smart contract gets distributed instantly to the qualifying members. That makes it risk-free and scam-free. So there's no money kept on the smart contract. That is very important to know that and to remember that. All right. This will basically guarantee that you get paid if you meet these three requirements of a smart contract. Won't be any issues. You need an internet connection, and if you meet these three steps, you will definitely get paid. You will make the money. All right. You need to register. You need to refer a minimum of 2 others with your link to qualify for further payments, and then you just need to upgrade. And as soon as when you refer your first person, you will get paid immediately. You will refer your second person, you will get paid immediately. Then the smart contract will know you are qualified to receive more payments and bonuses. So these 3 steps is the basic on your road to success and to financial freedom. Right, so don't overcomplicate it. It might be overwhelming for you the first time if you see this. If you don't understand it, it's actually very straightforward and easy. Just relax, take a deep breath, and ask assistance. Do not, forgetting the word now. Do not accept things if you do not understand what it is. Do not presume. That's the word I'm looking for. Don't presume, because if you presume something and you're not sure about your facts, then most of the time you are incorrect. Right? Assumption is the mother of all bugger ups. We have seen that plenty of times. A person assumes a thing and then it is totally the opposite, or he causes a big chaos because he's made an assumption and he didn't ask a simple question because he was too afraid of his reputation. That's that's another thing that we as human beings need to get over. We are all living on the same planet Earth. We're all breathing the same air. We might have our different religions and cultures, but at the end of the day, we are all breathing the same air. We're all on this same earth. We all need money. We all need to survive. All right, so we need to help each other. And if you just don't want to ask a simple question because you think your reputation is bigger than anything or anybody else, then and then you're going to assume something, then you're going to cause chaos. Right. So it's not so complicated to get success in RainBnB and to work on this platform. Right, and here you can make real money that will change your financial status, and this will change your life. So just do these basic things right. All right, you can ask your upline for assistance. If you do not understand something, please ask. But listen to me today. You will make money if you meet these basic requirements. There is no 2 ways about it. Let's look at part 2 and how you can get yourself started in RainBnB. You can become a successful internet entrepreneur by participating in the community building program of RainBnB. A successful internet entrepreneur, or whatever you want to call yourself, but you will be successful when you join RainBnB and you keep to the basics. Right? This platform alone will pave the way for your success and growth. If you meet the easy requirements of the smart contract, right? As I said, do not overcomplicate it. It's very, very simple and easy actually. Moreover, we offer valuable learning resources and guidance to ensure your success as an entrepreneur. As I said, there's no central support. The members all the support, and there is more than enough support and resources available to help with everything. Whatever you do not understand until any new issue that comes up. there is already a solution for everything basically. There's 4 steps for you to get started in RainBnB. Right, first of all, you need to download a Web3 wallet. Any Web3 wallet is that you are comfortable with. You can use that as long as it supports the OP-BNB network of BNB. Right, you can use any wallet, as I said, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, SafePal, OneKey, MetaMask. But we have found in our experience that SafePal is the most user-friendly one. So very important thing that whatever wallet you decide to download and work on, but we suggest use SafePal. It's much user-friendly and it's got more features than the other wallets, but nothing wrong to work with the other wallets. Very important that you must remember that this is a must, very, very big must. Write down your 12-word seed phrase for each wallet and keep it safe. And remember, people, if I say wallet, it's not just the application. Within that wallet, you can open multiple wallets. For every wallet that you open within the wallet, each wallet has got its own 12 words. So write down all of those 12 words and keep it in a safe place. Keep it out of the eyes of scrupulous people that might steal, get hold of your stuff, and beware of uploading it online if you do not have proper internet security. Right, by that I mean cloud services on the internet. Right, nothing wrong, but when hackers get access to those things, they can get access to your 12 words, and you don't want to wake up one morning and then you had $1,000 in your wallet and then the next moment it's gone. Right. After you've downloaded this wallet, you fund it with a minimum of 0.0044 BNB because that is the minimum requirement to register on RainBnB. And that's in the region of $2.50. Around, yeah, it differs between $2.50 and $3 maybe. Maybe more than $3, depending on the BNB price value of the day. All right, so after you funded your account, you register with the link that you received from the person who invited you, or your upline, as we say, basically. Right, you have also the choice to download the decentralized application and register through that. Then you will only need the referral number, the user ID of the person that referred you, not the link. But you can still use the link. And most of the people are still using the link. All right, and then after your registration, you just decide to upgrade to higher ranks and to start building your team, your network, and help other people getting success in RainBnB. All right, so let's look at the compensation plan. As we said, the minimum requirements to be paid is to get 2 referrals with your link or your user ID. Right. And we recommend that you start at least on Ambassador, but actually as high as you can. Try and start on Pioneer, Mentor, even Champion maybe. And we look at the different package prices in the moment. So Ambassador is in the region of $30. Why do I say start on a higher rank? You can ask yourself the same question. Just imagine for yourself if you why do you do not put so much value in maybe a pen? Yeah, let's take a pen. You've got a pen for R5, you got a pen for $500, or $5 and you got a pen for $500. Right? You lose you bought both of them. You paid for both of them. But you lose the one for $5. Are you going to, or let's say that pen cost you $1 actually, and the other one cost you $100. The one that you lose for $1, that's not going to, you're not going to mind about that. It's not even going to bother you. The same now is with what happens with if you lose the pen that cost you $100 or $500 or $1,000. You will start looking for that pen and you will turn your house upside down if you can't find that thing. That's the same principle, yeah. If you start on beginner, it is possible to build up if you keep to the basic requirements, and you can make a success by doing that way. but you will reach your success much faster or get paid much faster and much more when you join a higher rank. You will have more value and attention will be your attention will be more in the bigger packages. I don't get the specific word I'm looking for at this moment. The thing is, you value that the $100 pen more than the $1 pen. Basically, the same principle. Right. You need to refer a minimum of 2 other people directly with your link, and then you need to upgrade to receive more payments. And that is it. That's basically that. You see, this is a 1, 2, 3 burger. But here you can make 1,000,000 excuses, or you can make $1 million. That is up to you, and you can decide which one you want. All right, wealth is the result of wise choices, not luck. And we always say we spell luck W-O-R-K. So you need to work for it. All right, here's the basic package or the package costs of all the ranks and levels. There are 15 ranks in Rain BNB. Starting at beginner and going up all the way to creator. Let's run through them quickly. First of all, you get beginner, then influencer, then achiever, then ambassador and pioneer, mentor and champion. You'll see these orange highlighted area is where you need to start, or it's recommended to start with one of these ranks at least. Then you get director, and then titan, and then to your higher royalty ranks. From icon, then legend, emperor, conqueror, chancellor, and then creator, which is your last and your biggest rank. Right, so the cost is around, for a beginner, your basic is about $3 maybe. We just say $3 because that's a round off. It differs around under $3, above $3. Most people on earth, they do have access to around $3. Most people on earth do have a smart device, a smartphone or a laptop. Most people on earth, or many people on earth, do have access to internet. Right, so those 3 things makes it possible for you to join Rain BNB. Everybody, not most people, everybody knows at least 2 people who needs extra income. Everybody, not only somebody. Everybody needs or knows people, at least 2 people who need extra income. Right, so then these are the basic package costs. You decide for yourself where you want to come in. And as I said, are you going to take the $1 pen and you're going to take the 100 or the $500 pen or the $1,000 pen? You decide which one is more valuable for you, because you cannot lose that value if you have it there. You can just use that to build enormous wealth for yourself. Right. You decide which rank you want to upgrade to, preferably not under ambassador. Why do I say that? The first 3 ranks, it's possible to do that. We have done that. I've done that. There's many people that have done it. They've started on beginner, they built it up 2 by 2, and they upgraded and they achieved the higher ranks. So yes, that is definitely possible. But it's going to be faster, and you will see in the end, I will show you the difference in practice of what happened. To upgrade to higher levels and start from there, and let your team and everyone follow you in the same way. Then you receive much more BNB much faster. All right, and then you can upgrade also much faster to other ranks. These are the package costs. You decide, you know where you stand and what you can afford. Right, now let's look at how you get paid in Rain BNB, or what bonuses is available in Rain BNB. There are 6 different types of bonuses or income in Rain BNB. And some of them, not all of them, are available in Rain BNB as well. As a community building platform, we strongly encourage and expect everyone to introduce or refer at least 2 like-minded individuals to maximize your potential profits and growth. So here's another point that I want to spend some time on. The word like-minded individuals, we hear that very often. So that can be, everyone interprets that in his own way. And the other day I said, we all on earth, we are like-minded because if you have something in common, you are like-minded. If you like soccer, then or cricket or rugby, with those people you are like-minded and you have something in common. But all of us on earth, have something in common and we need income, extra income. And does that not make you like-minded? Does that not make everybody like-minded on this earth? Think about that for one moment. All right. So let's look at the bonuses. First one that you receive in RainBnB is your 10% referral bonus. All right, and that goes hand in hand with your 69% direct referral bonus. So when you refer someone, you will basically receive 79% from him. But let's look at it in detail. Let's go back here. You receive 10% from every direct referral that registers on your link. But not only that, you know, in other platforms, you only get a once-off commission when somebody joins you, when you refer them. In RainBnB, you will get paid 10% every time that they upgrade for the rest of your life and their life in this platform. And even if they upgrade up until creator, you will still receive 10% if you are on influencer rank minimum yourself. Right, so even if they upgrade to creator, you are still, and you are on influencer, for instance, you will receive 10% of the basic package cost for every time your direct referral upgrades. So you see that we said that the minimum for you to qualify is to have 2 direct referrals, but you get paid 10% for every direct referral that you refer with your link. And there is no limit to the number of people that you can refer to RainBnB with your link. The more, the better. If one of your direct referrals upgrade all the way to creator and you are on influencer, you will receive, today you will receive $6,440 because you will receive basically 1 BNB or 10 BNB, sorry, from that one direct, only in 10% the commission. So 1 and 1 makes 2, and the conclusion that you can draw for yourself is you refer as many as possible with your own link that you possibly can. Because if they upgrade, you will always receive 10% from when they do upgrade. You just need to qualify yourself and make sure you are on influencer rank at least. But you will try to go higher. All right, that is the basic minimum requirement for you to receive this 10% from all of your directs. If you just stay on beginner, you will only receive 10% of their beginner package commission. Right, the next one is 69% direct referral commission, and that is this one here. You will receive 69% of the basic package cost of every direct that you refer. So basically what we say is, yeah, you will receive 79%. Now that's 69 plus the 10%. So from every direct referral, you receive 79% basically. These are on the beginning packages now. Right, there's no limit to the number of direct referrals that you can refer. But even if you do refer 100 with your own link, that will give you in the region of around $200. But ladies and gentlemen, that is not bank-breaking money. Or that's not going to change your life. $200 is not going to change your life. The real life-changing money is in the next bonus, and that is the 69% upgrading bonus. Now, this is the biggest income in RainBnB. All right, take note that this price list was calculated when BNB was $651, and that was on the 21st of May. Right, today it's $644, so it will not be that big a difference. It will be a little bit lower, but not a big difference. So as you see here, there is 15 ranks that we already said. Now, how do you receive this bonus? There is 2 different matrices in RainBnB. You have the binary matrix where this bonus applies to. You get paid from your upgrading bonus on the binary matrix, and I'll share. Well, let me share here this one. Here is what your binary matrix is basically. So here's your upgrade bonus level. Take note that there's 15 levels. For the sake of this presentation, I just made it up to 8 because it gets too much. Now on your first level, there's only place for 2 positions. And remember, it's a binary matrix, so it's a left leg, right leg. But it doesn't matter which one works. You will get paid from even if only one side is active or not. There's no thing of balancing out and meeting point value or anything like that. You will still get paid on one side if one side works only. But on your first level, there's place for 2 positions. And those positions normally pay you when they register, and their payments go up one level to you. So read it in this way. Beginner is your first rank, and that's on the first level. Level 1 payments goes up 1 position. Now your second level, there is place for 4 positions. And those people will pay you when they upgrade to influencer. Now those payments go up 2 levels. Level 3 payments goes up 3 levels. Level 4 payments goes up 4 levels. Right, so level 3 is your achiever rank, and there is place for 8 positions. So when they upgrade to achiever, those payments goes up 3 levels, and that will go to you because you are third from there. The same happens with your upgrade money as well when you do upgrade. Same happens on level 4 when those 16 people upgrade to ambassador. They will pay 4 levels up, and they will pay to you. And you would have seen now that everything basically doubles on each level. So on level 1, you have 2 positions. There's the cost is that, but on level 2, you will see also that the cost doubles. The number of people doubles, but also the number or the size of your payment, it doubles as well. So what you will receive, that is going to double as well. And you can see it here. The bonus per upgrade that goes to you in BNB. All right. Keep in mind the BNB value will always be the same. That will never ever change because the smart contract cannot be changed. These values, they will never change. The cost in BNB will never change. The bonus per upgrade will never change. The total that you receive, that will never change. And also the total profit won't ever change. Right, the fiat currency value, that is what changes. The dollar value and the rand value in this case. Or whatever country currency you want to refer to. Right, so as we said, on each level, the number of positions double. And as you can see here, your second level is your influencer level. There's place for 4 positions, and they will pay you each 00414 when they upgrade to influencer, and that will give you in the region of $11 if all 4 upgrades. All right, so that's about 200 rand, not much. You can do something, but you can't do much. That's not going to make your life change around. All right, so even level 3, as I said, your first 3 levels is not about mind-breaking money here. Level 3 is about $40 to $50 maybe. It depends on the BNB price. Now here you'll get paid from 8 people, and they will pay you in the region of $45 maybe, or 40. So that's why we say it's better for you to start on the minimum of ambassador or pioneer, mentor, champion. Here you start seeing money that you can start talking about, that can make a change in your life, that can close some gaps wherever you need to put some money, pay for something, buy some food. That will come in handy for that. But you need to upgrade yourself, and you will need only 3 payments from each level to upgrade to the next level if you want to use your money generated in the network. You keep back 3 payments to upgrade to the next rank. The next is, or the rest is basically your profit, or you can use that as well to upgrade further. That is entirely up to yourself. But here is where your life starts to turn around and you start to open your eyes wider and wider to your wallet. When you start seeing what money comes in, when you upgrade, and when another thing that you need to remember is that you will not receive this money all at once. You receive this money as these people upgrade. But I just want to go back here. So let's say well, let's use the achiever level here. You will not receive all 8 payments at once. When this number 7 upgrades, you will receive the payment. Let's say number 10 upgrades, you will receive the payment. Now 14 upgrades, you receive the payment. So they do not all upgrade at once, but when they do upgrade, they are still there. When they do upgrade, they will still pay you for the achiever upgrade. And that money will still go to you when they do upgrade. Right, so they don't all 8 pay you and you receive that amount. Now, I just took that as an example there. Now, the same happens with all of the other levels and ranks. So here, on Ambassador, 16 people is going to pay you in the region of $10. Right, depending on the BNB price of the day, that is around $160, $170. Now go to Pioneer Mentor. Yeah, Mentor, 64 people will pay you when they upgrade to Mentor, and they will pay you in the region of $40. Now, keep in mind here, look at the price difference. It basically doubles every time. So your influencer will pay you around $2, make it $2.50. Now it just doubles. Then it's $5, then it's $10, then it's 20, then 40, then 80. So on champion level, 128 people will pay you around $80 to $90. Then it just doubles, and here is where your eyes are growing much bigger than what you ever thought could happen. And you are starting to pinch yourself because you can't believe it. And it happens instantly. Right. This is your upgrading bonuses, and this is where the biggest life-changing money lies. Now, I don't know if you can pronounce these figures, but you will receive in the region of 1.48 million BNB from one position. And in Rain BNB, you can have multiple positions as well. So this is the potential for one position in Rain BNB, 1.48 million BNB. Now, I do not know if somebody has done that calculation previously that I asked you to do, but you can still go and do that in your own spare time. 1.48 million BNB times $650. And then you come out to the dollar value of around this. It should be equivalent to this because this was calculated 651. Very close to this amount. I don't even want to try and pronounce that figure. But this is just mind-blowing money. But we know that life happens, and we know that even if you do not get halfway there, then you will still make a big success still if you do not even reach there. Even if you reach 10% only of that, you will make lots of money. Right, so you aim for the stars and you aim for the moon and you hit the stars. So aim as high as you can and don't limit yourself. Do whatever you can, support your team and you will get there. Get the support you need. Ask the questions you want to know. Right, this is your upgrading bonus, and we've looked at that now. This is just how your tree is set up, how the smart contract populates your binary tree. You cannot decide where to place people. The smart contract does that for you as well. It always gets populated from the top to the bottom and from left to right. So this is yourself and your first person. If you refer them, they will come here. This is your first position. If it is a spillover from your uplines or your uplines, it will also come in the first open position under them. And if it's under you, it will be this one here. Then your second position, the second person will come in there. And then it will just populate the levels like that. You cannot decide where to put people. As you can see, it's an automatic tree setup. The smart contract manages that. And here's what I explained about the binary matrix. So, but the next bonus that we're looking at is working on a different matrix. As I said, there's two different matrices in RainBNB. This one is on a linear matrix, basically, your level matrix. And this one gives you the 1.5% recurring level bonus. Now, this is basically a type of a passive income. So you will receive 1.5% of the basic package cost of all the registrations and upgrades in your team. 15 levels deep from your second level to level 15 in your own lineage, if you qualify, if you are on the influencer rank, and if you have at least 2 directs as influencers. Then you will receive 1.5% from everything that happens in your network from level 2 to level 15. I just want to go here. Here's a better explanation or a picture that you can imagine it. All right, this is your level 1. As I said, this is your uni-level matrix, basically. Your level matrix. This is directs. So this is you. This is your directs. And there's another reason for referring as many as possible with your link as you can. And then they will have their directs. And those will be your second level. And you will receive that 1.5% from them. Down, all the way down up until level 15. All right. That makes a big difference. Don't despise this 1.5%. Here's a screenshot of an account that started on the 16th of January. It accumulated over 2 BNB. So that is over $1,000 at this moment. By that time, when this screenshot was taken, it was $1,400 almost. Only from this 1.5%. Now, this is where the name for RainBNB comes from, because it just drops into your wallet right through the day, like raindrops filling the ocean or filling a dam. And just remember that the ocean is filled with a drop at a time, or each dam is filled with a drop at a time. This might look like very small money, and you can despise it, but do not take it lighthearted. It does make a difference. The fifth bonus in RainBNB is your royalty bonus. And here you will receive royalty rank bonus from your 10th rank up until rank 15. Now those ranks are Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, Creator, which is your highest ranks. Right, this is paid out every 24 hours, but let's look at the qualifying criteria. You need to have 2 directs, and that is compulsory for you to receive the royalty bonus every 24 hours. Right, and you will only receive this royalty up until you twice of your total investment that you made in RainBNB. Right, and then that bonus will stop, and then you will upgrade to the next one, and you will start receiving from that the next rank again. You will also only receive from your current rank. You will not receive from the previous ranks the percentages. So let's say you are on Emperor rank, you will not receive Legend and Icon 1%. You will just receive the 0.6% from on Emperor. All right, but keep in mind you need to have 2 directs, and that is compulsory for you to earn this royalty bonus every 24 hours. Here are the figures for each rank. So there's 3.5% from the total income of daily RainBNB income is distributed between these ranks. And you claim it every 24 hours in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab. Right? Now this makes a big difference also. It's small in the beginning, but it adds up. And you can build it up, and you can use that money to upgrade. Right, now the last bonus in RainBNB is the lifestyle bonus, excuse me. There is 5 different clubs in this lifestyle rewards bonus. Now let's look at all the qualifying criteria and the detail. The first one is Prime Club, and here you will receive 0.5% daily, and that gets paid out to you on a weekly basis. So until you reach the amount of $3,000 in BNB, you do not receive that $3,000 once off. You receive it in increments of every week, which accumulates every daily. So that 0.5% that gets paid out every week, that is accumulated every day. Right, and these you also claim on the royalty and rewards tab in your back office. The qualifying criteria to qualify for this bonus, you must be on a director rank yourself. That's rank 8 or level 8. And you must have 5 directs as champions, that is level 7 or rank 7. 5 directs, and all must have qualified after 16th of January 2025. Right, many people are striving to reach this and have reached this already. So this is to be claimed manually in your back office weekly under the royalty and rewards tab. And once you receive a total of $3,000 in BB, this bonus will stop. But even in the case, if you're still on Prime Club and you go to Elite Club, you will receive from both of these. Right, you will also receive 0.5% paid out or daily, which gets paid out weekly, until you receive $25 in BNB. Qualifying rank, you need to be on Conqueror, and you must have 3 Emperors as directs. Keep in mind the number of directs required for these bonuses. And as we said, the minimum in the beginning is only 2 directs. Here it gets to 5, start with 5, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 10 for the last bonus. 10 directs. So we said for you to reach that 10% or most of the 10%, to use most of that 10% bonus, refer as many as possible as you can. So please do that. Refer as many people as you can. Do not only refer 2 people. It will help you. It will benefit you. It will benefit your team. But anyways, let's look at the Royal Club. Here you will receive the same or 0.2% that will get paid out to you on a weekly basis that you get on daily basis up until you receive $50,000 in BNB. Here you need to be on a Chancellor rank yourself, and you must have 5 directs as conquerors. So yes, gentlemen and ladies, team up with your people and assist them and let them work with you and get you all to the higher ranks if you want to get to these bonuses. So on the Crown Club, you will receive 0.15% on a daily basis that will get paid out to you weekly up until you receive $100,000 in BNB. Right, so keep in mind that you can qualify for all of these bonuses and they will all pay out. But once you reach these targets or these limits, they will stop. But if they have not reached these targets, they will still carry on paying out simultaneously. Right, the last bonus is your Supreme Club Lifestyle Reward bonus. Here you will receive 0.15% that will get paid out every week until you receive $500,000. That's $500,000 in US dollars in BNB. Right, you need to be on a creator yourself. That is the last rank on rank 15, and you must have 10 directs as creators as well. So yes, the funds come from all the registrations and upgrades in RainBNB, and the funds this is already budgeted for by the smart contract. There's no extra funds where this comes from. So many people have asked, where is this funds coming from to pay out these bonuses? It is all calculated in the registration and upgrade fees that is coming into the platform daily. All right. Now let's look at the future roadmap of RainBNB. The planning stages or the plannings are in motion at the moment. So we have heard that by around September, some of these projects will be launched already. And then our communities will benefit because they already built up the community. but it needs to be an active community that will benefit from these projects. We do not have much detail about them yet, but they're planning to launch a gaming token exchange, their own trading bot, gaming projects, their own blockchain, and also Web3, other Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. But what we know is that everyone will benefit in addition to the funds that we already discussed now. You will still benefit from these projects as well. We do not have any details or much details about it. Only that we know is that it will start to be launched by September this year. So keep your eye out for that and let your teams know, let your community grow and get active, and do not miss these things because they are going to be great. Right now, here's what the difference is between starting on beginner and starting on a higher level. So these two on the left, they started on beginner in September of last year, and these two on the right started on ambassador rank in March this year. Right, this one took 4 months to go to Titan, which started on beginner, and it accumulated 11.3 BNB in that time. By then, it's much more now. Right, it used in that time around $900 to upgrade from these funds, and it accumulated around $7,000. So there you can see it, and it reached Titan rank, which is your ninth rank in 4 months. Now let's look at the difference in starting on ambassador. This position started on the 1st of March. It used $456 to upgrade to director in 14 days, 2 weeks. Right, it received you can say $1,200, 1.9 BNB by that time. It's more than now at this time, but that's just there you can see the clear difference between 14 days to director when starting on ambassador, and everyone in the team starts on ambassador. Yeah, most of the people started on beginner. It took this one to go to Titan in 4 months, and Titan is just one rank above director. And these are just other sub accounts that you can also refer to, and they did the same. They performed the same. Right, but it takes much longer when you are on beginner. You start on beginner. But remember the $1 pen principle against the $500 pen principle. Right, and here's proof of withdrawal to your bank account, because we also always get this question from the skeptical people. Have you withdrawn the money to your bank yet? Show me the money. Then I will believe you. Then I will join you. But even if you do show them, some they never even flinch or come back to you or say thank you. But here is the proof. Some have joined after you shown them, but yes, it is available. Remember that this has got nothing to do with Rain BNB. Rain BNB, or the matter is between the smart contract and your wallet. When the smart contract pays you, it goes directly to your SafePal wallet or your connected wallet with the smart contract. Your money goes to the wallet, and then it is in your control. You need to send it to an exchange to swap it for your country currency, and then you need to send it to your linked bank account. All right, so yes, if it is in your connected Web3 wallet, you have been paid already, basically. But we've learned now that most people, they still do not, or they do not understand how crypto works, and they don't believe it because they are not exposed to it yet. And the more you get exposure, the more you learn. So yes, even if you show it to them, it might spark a little fire, and they might come back to you in future. But yes, we need to be tolerant with everyone, and need to explain to them how it works, because if you do not understand something, it's not you can't be held accountable for that if you don't understand. But if you do have the resources to find out, then do find out and look into it. But please explain to these people how it works, because if it is in your Web3 wallet, then you have been paid already. But they still want to see it in their bank account. All right, now let us finish off this presentation. Keep in mind what we started off with this presentation, that segment that it was playing there about living in your comfort zone. You need to decide for yourself and answer these questions seriously for yourself. What is your why? Why do you want to make extra money? What is driving you to make extra money? Do you have to pay the rent? Do you have to pay your vehicle? Do you have to buy food? Do you have to pay for your children's education? You can decide, you can answer that question. What is driving you? Or do you want to go on a dream holiday or a dream cruise ship or whatever? What is your motive of making money? To achieve most of these whys, and there can be a myriad of whys and a multiple of them. You need to have vitamin M, and that is vitamin money. And that is finances. So what are you waiting for? And we also saw that he says there, the best time to start, well, he said is now. But the best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is now, right now. So there will never be a suitable time or a perfect time, and you saw that in that segment as well. There will never ever be a perfect time for everything to be right. Even the Bible tells us that he who watches the wind, he does not sow. So if he looks at the wind, and he's not going to carry on with the work. And he who looks at the clouds does not reap. Right, so then you're not going to be successful if you're looking at why you cannot take action. So take that action and start your road to success. This might be very overwhelming for you if you attended this the first time. Please reach out to your upline if you need more detail and further explanations, or join our training session tomorrow night, same time, same link, where you will be able to answer questions as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this presentation for tonight. I thank you on the 20th of June 2025. If you need any other assistance, please reach out to the person that invited you and let it start Rain BNB. And here you can start to build your own business that will pay you for the rest of your life. But you need to pull the trigger and you need to get started and take that action. Ask the questions, get clarity if you still have uncertainty, and let's get on the road. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day and the rest of your weekend.